Do you want to grow lush, vibrant plants, but don't want to empty your wallet on expensive grow lights? Well, you're not alone. Let's dive in to some best budget-friendly grow light options that won't break your bank, but it'll still have your plants thriving. Stick around to find out which one will give you the best bang for the buck. Now, you've probably heard the old saying, you get what you pay for. But when it comes to grow lights, that's not always true. So today, we're going to find out, can you get results without paying a fortune? Spoiler alert, you absolutely can. Okay, so let's break down two important terms that you're going to hear a lot when shopping for grow lights. That's going to be Kelvin and Lumens. These two factors play a huge role in how well your plants will thrive under these grow lights. First up is Kelvin. This refers to the color temperature of the light. The higher the Kelvin number, the cooler and more blue the light is going to be. So, which is perfect for your vegetative growth. Think of leafy greens in like young plants. Now on the other hand, the lower the Kelvin number gives off a warmer, more reddish light, which encourages blooming and fruiting. So, for most of our indoor plants, a light between 3000 and 6500 Kelvin is ideal. Alright, now let's talk about lumens. This measures how much visible light your grow lights produces. So the more lumens mean a brighter light. Plants need a certain amount of light intensity. Higher lumens are essential for healthy growth. So for your indoor plants, you're looking at around 1000 to 2000 lumens per square foot. But this will vary depending on your plant light needs. So when you're shopping for a grow light, check the Kelvin for color temperature and the lumens for brightness to make sure you're getting the right one for your plant. Alright, let's talk about your LED grow lights. They're energy efficient, they last forever, and they're actually more affordable than you may think. Plus, they give your plants the perfect light spectrum that they need for strong growth. Now, if you're looking for something more affordable, full spectrum LED lights, they are a game changer. You get the best of both worlds, effective plant growth without sky-high prices. Finally, let me give you the light that you actually clicked on this video. They talk about a game changer for anyone looking for high quality but affordable lighting, and that is a shop LED light. Now, shop LEDs are a fantastic option if you're looking for a cheap, affordable, inexpensive light that will grow anything that you need it to grow. It's got the perfect spectrum of colors, it's got the right lumens, the right Kelvin, and you can usually get them for half the price of your traditional grow lights. So you're getting your professional level results without that pro level price tag. So whether you're growing herbs or your veggies or tropical plants, shopping for an LED shop light, this can be a real lifesaver depending on your budget that you have for growing plants. And finally, thank you for watching the video. I hope you learned something about grow lights and that we don't always have to go and buy the actual grow light. These shop LEDs that I put in my grow room, I've been using them for 2 or 3 years and they have worked tremendous. So like this video, hit that bell notification. It'll let you notify anytime I put a video out. And think about subscribing to the channel. It shows that I have 97% that watch these videos are not subscribers. So subscribe to the channel because it really helps me out. It helps me keep putting these videos out. And like always, keep her growing.